Hey everyone, this is Avi Harkishan from AA Charts. Let's do an intraday update on Tesla. So currently Tesla, what I'm looking at on the Tesla 15 minutes chart right now, we're trading at this level. There's a gap here. Tesla came down this morning, didn't completely fill the gap, but we did bounce off the gap. And I was looking at this area here, this $300 area, which I posted several times on my X page, Twitter X, whatever they're calling it. So at this level, it's very important when you're looking at even the flow I talked about, plus the gamma exposure, which I posted. I think. Let me see if I could pull that up really fast for you guys. Okay, here it is. So I posted it this morning. Key levels of Tesla need to hold. We were looking at the net flow. Had a positive net flow this morning so far. So I want to see that maintain that positive net flow for Tesla. And I was looking at this $300 level. And if you look here, you have this level right here on the open interest that I wanted to see. And I want to see Tesla above this level here so that we could hit at least this 320. So there is very positive exposure to the upside in terms of open interest. So at least I want to hold this 300. If we start losing this $300, then we're going to get pulled to the downside, which is 250, all the way down towards that $200 basically. Big pull to the downside. So you want to maintain this $300 level, and that's in the open interest and the gamma exposure level. Let's look at the gamma. So this is the gamma I'm talking about here. This $300 level, you want to stay above 300. If you lose $300 in Tesla, you're going to get pulled to the downside and towards that 285, which is going to be as a support. You lose that 285, you're back down to 270-ish, which is going to be over here, which you're going to find support at 270 again. Over that 300, you're going to come up towards that maybe 320, 315, 320 area, all the way up to 327, 330, I think you can get up to. So if you maintain this 300, I think you could get up to that 320, 330 area on Tesla. Now, if we're looking at the chart, let me see if I can find it here again. Yeah, this is a chart. If you can maintain this level here, this $300 level over here, where you have this big area that's traded here in the volume profile, you have an opportunity to get up towards that 315, 330, 320, 330 area. You start losing this $300 area, and you're going to come down to at least fill this gap at 387 here. So yeah, you don't really want to lose that, because then you're going to start getting pulled to the downside. And what you're going to see happen is something like this here. You're going to see happen. Let me put that up back. I think I had it somewhere. Where is it? Okay, I don't have it there. But anyways, you're going to see an ABC play out if you start losing that level. You're going to see somewhat of an ABC playing out here towards that 280, 287, back within this range here. So I'm very cautious with this $300 level, which was a whale's target. So a very keen level to pay attention to. You really want to get above this $300 level. You don't want to close below this $300 level. All right, that's what I'm looking at right now. Are you closing below this $300 level? Very likely you could start moving down towards that 280 or so. And yeah, even more so, you could get even lower than that. You don't want to start creating a new low. If you create a new low, you're looking at 260, 250 as the next target. Hopefully that was helpful, guys. That's it for now. Not looking too good here with this sell and increased volume. Yeah, so that's an increased volume in the sell. So not looking too good there. So yeah, that's it for now. So anything you look for, you start closing below that 300, I said, you're going to get pulled to the downside, okay? Hopefully that was helpful.